Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for this opportunity. Today, we, Miftahunisa, Dewi Permatasari, Alin Kurniawan Purwanindita, and Nia Nihayati, would like to present our journal about Environmental and Biodiversity Information System, EPIOS, towards supporting environmental compliance in Grati Combined Cycle Power Plant, Pasuruan, East Java Province, Indonesia. The background of this journal is, first, Indonesia Power have mission to organizing the power generation business and related services which are friendly to the environment. Second, participate in government programs proper. Third, change in regulation government about proper assessment. And the last about assessment criteria of resource utilization include biodiversity protection criteria. On the sub-criteria, there is reporting aspect that requires data, information system, and publication system which able to collect information and support the status evaluation and biodiversity resources propensity and biological resources which manage at least for 2 years. Our purpose and objective in developing this journal is, first, we need to develop information system of environment data and biodiversity. Second, we need to improve the proper achievement of Grati Combined Cycle Power Plant by convert recapitulation data with Excel program into online publication. Methodology that we use in this journal is, first, analysis of biodiversity data governance. Every half years, we cooperate with Laboratorium of Biology ITS and ENVILAB, monitor flora, fauna, and plankton. Then we receive a hard copy report from them. Then we recapitulate data into Excel program. Second, infrastructure design. To build this application, we need Apache Web Application Server as the service provider of HTTP protocol. Then we need MySQL database server as the storing service provider and data processing. Then we need the network infrastructure and the client devices like computer or laptop and handphone, tablet, and so on. We need to explain about proper. What is proper? Proper is Enterprise Environmental Performance Rating by Ministry of Environment and Forestry. Proper rating divided into 5 colors: black, red, blue, green, and gold. The criteria of assessment in proper divided into, first, environmental management system, resource utilization, and community development. The comprehensive criteria is like this. There is the document of summary environmental management performance. The point is 150. Then environmental management system, the point is 100. Third, utilization of natural resources, the total point is 600. And community development, the total point is 950. In protection of biodiversity criteria, there is reporting aspect. This aspect that we want to develop, because this criteria need to having an information system that can collect and evaluate the status and trends of biodiversity and biological resources are managed. The point 0 to 3. Second, we need to having data on the status and trends of biodiversity and biological resources are managed for at least the last 2 years. The point is 0 to 5. Then we need to publication have presented to the public or the relevant government agencies about the status and trends of biodiversity resources and biological resources managed issued at least the last 2 years. The point is 0 to 5. The problem before APIOS can illustrate like this. We must collect the field data by monitoring flora and fauna or benthos plankton. Then we need to do data processing in the laboratorium. Then we receive the hard copy report from laboratorium, and we must recap data on Excel program by Health and Safety Environment Division. Data processing using Excel programs is offline. Only Environment Division can access the data. Even another employee of Indonesia Power Grati Combined Cycle Power Plant cannot access this. The Excel program like this. We want to explain about the design and analysis. Before APIOS, the Excel program, the recapitulation data by Excel program is like this. The system design, you can read this. We want to explain about design and analysis. The system analysis. This is the system analysis before we use APIOS. We must recap data on Excel program by Health and Safety and Environment Division. Then we try to solve the problems by designing a system to easier our job like this. We input data to our application using tools that have specification, processor, Intel Xeon 3.2 GHz, RAM 2 GB, hard disk 500 GB, network Giga Ethernet card, OS, Windows or Linux. After that process, we can reach the result and implement it since 2012. APIOS users divided into 3 access rights. First, entry operator, user with access right of inputting, deleting, and updating data. Second, administrator, user with access right as applications administrator. And third, viewer, website visitor with the right to see the data publication. In APIOS, we have 2 main menus. First, about biodiversity data. The function of this to input, update, delete, search, and print report of biodiversity data number. The second menu is list organism. The function of this to input, update, delete, search, and print report of biological resource data. Initially, this application upload to intranet. This only can access by internal, only for IPS employee. Then, since October 2012, APIOS upload to internet. Everybody can open this application and access the biodiversity of Grati Common Cycle power plant. We can print the recapitulation data, and the result is like this. We can open the APIOS application like this. The benefit of this innovation is about financial benefits. We can saving about 440,000 rupiahs. But the non-financial benefits, we can increase the proper point until 1000%. The conclusion and suggestion. The conclusion, this application, APIOS application, is very helping our job, easier our job. And second, about efficiency and effectiveness. And the third, about increase the proper point until 1000%, and financial benefit about 66 million. The suggestion, we need to continuous improvement in this application, and we need to integrate the implementation of APIOS with another application in Indonesia Power. Thank you.